Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I have a completion for you. I do have a completion. I have completed this piece. This is a Jonathan Adler piece, licensed art through Michael's, the craft store. And this sells for $24.99 full price. I did not pay full price. Those of you that know me know I do not pay full price. So I got this piece because my son from another um, lives in Japan with his family, and I'm sure at least his wife will love this. So they come in this handy tube, and here's the paper it came in. But let me tell you what I do. Let me find the switch here. Okay. I put it in my book as a completion, the store where I got it, the name, the artist, and what it is. And I cut the picture out because it didn't have like a sticker sheet or anything. So I used the X-Acto knife and just cut it out. And there's only 5 colors in this piece, so I hand wrote the color grid. I mean, super easy peasy, not a big deal. It's an 8 by 10. It was a partial canvas. I did add 1 AB around here. I added 1 AB around here. Let me get you a little closer. 1 AB around here and fairy dust right there. I like the way it came out. It is not sparkly, but it is because of the ABs. It was perfect. I didn't put any ABs in the middle, just the outside. So I like it. So I completed this as a gift for my son Robbie and his family. I started it July 22nd, 2026, and finished it July 23rd, 2026. It didn't take me a long time to complete this project at all. I mean, we only had 5 colors. I could not multi-place, although it looks like I should have been able to, but I could not multi-place this way, horizontally, but vertically I could. So I did multi-place in here, and here, and in here, like whether it's straight up and down and right in here. But other than that, I couldn't multi-place. So isn't this pretty? It just came out really nice. Very simple, quick finish. And now I'm going to wrap it up for him. Here are his spare drills. I'm going to include those right here. And I'm going to wrap this. Come on, stay. Okay. So I'm going to wrap it with that. You know, this is a ribbon from Dreamer Designs. I might need another hand. Let's see if I can. Okay. Let me see. Okay, now I'm going to put it in here. So that I can ship it to him. He has a military box, so it won't cost that much to ship it. So I'm going to put that all in here, like that, and I'm going to ship it to him. I'm going to wrap it. I might put it in a box with other things, just so I can put this tube in a box. So, and see. So that is my quick review. Very simple. The drills were nice. I did not keep the drills though. The drills were not faceted. Very basic drills. They weren't shiny, but the project does look good. So, and that's the important thing. And I had plenty of diamonds, plenty. So, would I recommend Jonathan Adler? Yes. If you're looking for something simple, nothing complicated, very basic colors, you want to try a Jonathan Adler piece. Go check it out. They sell it at Michael's, and I don't know if they're going to come out with new designs of his line. That I am not sure. But you have to just go visit your Michael's and see. All right, everyone, that was my quick little review on this little project. And you have a wonderful day or night, and be kind. Bye.